Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a replica item and looking at the logo here, I believe this is from JRCM, with the M being the last letter overlaid in this icon logo. And as we can see here on the front box cover, three different models. We're going to be looking at the Model 300 Government 45. So if we look on the box here, we can see as part of the military espionage of replica models, possibly a series there. On the side of the box, we can see here the model numbers, 300 being marked off. Similar titles on the other sides. No bottom, just the styrofoam insert. So we go ahead and open it. This particular item is in a kind of a polished, not necessarily chrome, but nickel plated finish. So we go ahead and take this out. If you notice, there's also this additional cutout area here. So I believe if you had ordered a upgraded package, there might have been additional items included, such as fake dummy ammunition, possibly blank rounds, but I'm not sure this is able to chamber blank rounds. Also, possibly some other accessories possibly that might have gone in here. So let's set this aside right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and clear it. You can see here, magazine release does work. The magazine with this particular model is also in some sort of polished plated finish. You can see here the floor plate, the viewing holes, ports for the round count, welded seams, and magazine release cutout. Follower does move. There is no blocking, so it can actually take dummy rounds. Go ahead and look for some. Got some snap caps here. Let's just pull out a couple of these and let's see if they fit. Yes, they do. Let's see, put another one in like so. And you can seat the magazine. The slide does move. Safety does work, as well as the beaver tail grip safety. See, safety's off, but will not drop. Hammer will not drop until you depress the grip safety as well. Slide stop does work. And you have a permanent red plug in the barrel. This does disassemble. Let's take a quick look at the markings first, though. You can see here against the light, M-1911-67 auto-loading pistol, caliber 45, U.S. Army model. No serial numbers. And on this side, Japan. So point of manufacture. And this is metal die cast. Do not believe there is a lot of steel, if any, in here in order to conform as a replica gun made of just cheap alloy, and it's slightly different dimensions in key points to prevent being able to process a round through the item. But yeah, this is a strong magnet. And then I'm getting a very small hit, possibly just on the spring there. And maybe a couple of the screws here are steel. But the frame itself, not getting a hit on it at all. So you can see here, no serrations. Round trigger guard, cutouts here on the frame. A little knurling on the magazine button, as well as on the slide stop, safety, hammer, all these nice little features. and the JRCM logo on the grips as well. But you can see all the way through, and you can see here empty chamber as well. And let's see, if we go ahead and move the slide back to this position, I should be able to pop out the slide stop. This one's a little stiff. And then you can pull that out, and the slide comes right off, as you can see. And you can actually start pulling out components such as guide rods, spring, barrel bushing turns, removes, your spring follower, and your barrel. Everything comes out and disassembles, and field strips like in normal 45 auto with all your parts right here. So pretty neat. And it goes right back together the same way. Let's see, hopefully I'll do it in the correct order here. Stick your barrel in, stick your bushings, etc. in, capture that. And then that makes it a little bit easier to do the last step here. Put in your spring. Carefully hold it all together. Bring it up to the frame with the slide. Get everything there. Visualize a nice clear path for your slide stop. Push that part in and should drop back in, and you can cycle. And if you notice, half cock does work with the safety, and in this particular model, hammer will drop too from half cock. But taking a quick look at model, and also just a quick note, do not try to chamber these, they will not fit. I've also tried as well with an empty casing. This will actually fit in the magazine, will not fit in the chamber because the chamber is dimensionally smaller than a normal 45. If we take a step back, if you look at the barrel, try to shine a light on here, you can see how the chamber is actually blocked and plugged so that you cannot put a actual cartridge in there, and the diameter is too small to even fit a casing in there. But possibly short blank firing cartridges might fit, but don't hold me to that. But taking a quick look at a model replica of a 45 auto, and this one being in a particular nickel polished finish from JRCM Model 300 Government 45. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.